The Trump that we have, that we voted in, is watching this. Yes, the one general. Everybody knows. Yes, we are standing here. Which one? I am the person. So if you like, I'm an accident person. They call me one general. If you want to be one general, you touch me. I've not entered. No, nobody has entered. The only thing I stand here is that the truth. The truth will be
That's good. Contact! Hey! Out!
Bala Ousts Makinde went ahead to hold their get-together in Ibadan. It is so disappointing that even at the so-called venue of the get-together, the chairman of the convention, His Excellency Ahmadu Fintiri, governor of Adamawa State, who was head of the convention, openly came out to say that INEC is absent, so there is no convention, and for that reason, he's not part of it. Same thing, 4 governors have come out to say that they are not part of it.
So what's the resolution right now? We understand that
the resolution is very, very simple. Obey the constitution of the Nigerian Republic. Obey the rule of law. The law is not behind Ousts Makinde and Bala Muhammad. The law is behind Senator Samuel, the valid national secretary of the party, and Wike, the minister of the FCT, and the authentic leader of the party. Thank you very much.
Let's go, let's move
No one comes down. You should go away. Davide. Não tô no pode ir.
Just arrange yourself. Arrange yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Are you good? Let's go, sir.
Hey, can you arrange yourself properly?
Let's go.
Well, we are here because our chairman invited us for the inaugural meeting of the brand new NWC after the convention in Oyo, in Ibadan. And as we came, we met some people there. The whole place was barricaded by the police. Our chairman has given explanation. We are not just here to cause trouble, or this is our own place. And some imposters who have been expelled by the convention, which is the highest decision organ of the party, came to cause commotion. And you can see the minister of the FCT coming himself, in person, being backed by the police. We are surprised because at the point when the police allowed us in, our chairman praised them for impartiality. But here we are. We are here to sit in to see what will happen. Our property, we have been tear gassed as governors. We have been molested in spite of our immunity in time and whatever that we have as leaders in our own right with our chairman. Well, it is for the nation to gauge the kind of democracy we have, the kind of leadership that we have. I will advise the presidency that it should not keep people who are no longer useful in terms of managing the political space, managing our diversity, creating unity and governance. We don't want to cause trouble to anybody. Yes, we are in the opposition. We should be allowed to survive. The international community should know what we are going through. We are going through hell. Our party is being destroyed by people from inside. And the relevant laws were invoked to get them out. And we are here to inaugurate our leaders. And look at what is happening. So we are not going anywhere, even if they will kill us. Me and my colleague, the governor of Oyo, will oblige our chairman's invitation. Maybe you will hear more from him, but certainly we are cautioning that this thing is getting out of hand. Enough is enough.
Mr. Chairman, please come to the meeting.
Yes.
Yesterday, we accompanied you to the FCT command. When you told the FCT commissioner of police about the possibility of what is happening today, what assurances did you get from the police yesterday?
Well, yesterday, when I had an interface with the commissioner of police of the FCT, I told him that we're privy to an information that people who have been expelled from our party are planning to come to our headquarters to disrupt our activities. And the Commissioner of Police FCT assured me, upon his honor, that they will do whatever is possible to protect us and guarantee us safe passage into our premises.
Now,
Now we are here. Our serving and former governors are here. Our members of National Assembly are here. Our members of Board of Trustees are here. And you've seen how they are now granted access to the Minister of the FCT, a person that has been declared persona non grata in PDP, a person that had been expelled, to come in. They have tear gas us and tear gas even our governors who under the Constitution.
I was just told that some of our boys were shot.
So, some of our boys, some of our members who have come here to attend meeting that has been lawfully called have been shot by the police. So we will be now calling on international community. I want to call on President Trump. What is at stake is not just genocide against Nigerian Christians. He should come and save democracy in Nigeria. Democracy is under threat. I'm calling on all other developed nations, all advanced democracies, come and save Nigeria, come and save democracy. Because I cannot understand how a serving minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria will be leading talks, armed talks, and then with the active connivance and support of the police to come and create mayhem here. I have said it, we are willing to lay down our lives to protect our office, to protect our democracy, to protect our mandate. So Nigerians, you are watching what is happening. International community, you are seeing the threat that Nigerian democracy is. Come and save us. Come and save us.
PDP. This party not belong to any government. It belongs to us. This party belongs to people. It belongs to us. Hey, stop. Hello. Don't do that again. Okay. peace. We are not fighting here.
No more tear gas. No more
tear gas here.
No more tear gas.
I am here as a chief protocol officer of this party.
We are not fighting now.
Chief protocol of this party. What we want for this party is peace. We want peace. But anybody when no want peace, you go give us the peace.
Yes,
I am the one. That's all in this party. Yes. I don't fear anybody
at all.
I was just together for 22 years. Now I am with this party. I stand here to tell you now. I stand here. The best thing or the governors to go do with Wike is to make peace.
Yes, yes.
All of them need to go make peace now.
With him.
With him. Because you cannot do any. You cannot do any kangaroo. You cannot do any kangaroo convention. Bala no. Governor know me. Governor know me. I respect everyone. This party, nobody can kill this party. At all. Bala is my okay. You understand? But what did I talk? Make them make sure peace love for this party. If not be like that, I go move everybody. When I go and ask me, everybody know me in this party.
Say Abdurrahman. Say AMT.
When they call meeting,
say Abdurrahman.
Visit Wike. And he tells them,
say Abdurrahman. Say Abdurrahman.
If they know what time, then Secretariat.
Yes.
Now me talk out.
Yes.
I know they talk, but if I talk, everyone will go yara.
Yes.
I'm constitutionally funding me for this party. Where they?